Hello my dear children, today we can study addition of algebraic equations. For this addition and subtraction of algebraic equations, we can add or subtract only like terms. That is, the variables are same. Here 5x plus 3x. We can add these two because 5x are there. That is x plus x plus x plus x plus x. Okay. Then for this next 3x are there. X plus x plus x. Okay. Now total 8x are there. That is, add the coefficient of like terms or subtract the coefficient of like terms. Then what is the answer at the time? The coefficients of x here it is 5. For this one that is 3. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Okay. But in this unlike terms, 5x and 3y, these are unlike terms. Okay. That is x and y. The factors of variables are different. Here the factors of variables are same. Then 5x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 3y. Here 1, 2, 3. Here the answer is 5x and 3y itself. 1, 2, 3. 3y itself. So that time we can't add. We have to write the same algebraic expression itself. But if the like terms are there, we have to add it. The coefficients of like terms. Then write there and write the same variable. Now we can discuss exercise 12.2 group 1. Simplify combining like terms. That is, the first question is 21b minus 32 plus 7b minus 20b. Here b is the, but here one constant is the. How can we do? Here 21b. Then next one is 7b. Next one is negative 20b. Okay. Then here 1 minus 32. We have to add all these. Here b. Coefficients of this b. Here these are like terms. We have to consider the coefficients of like terms. Here 21 plus, okay, then 7 minus 20b. 20b. That is 21 plus 7, 28. 28 minus 20b. 28 minus b we can avoid. 28 minus 20 is equal to 8. So 8b minus 32. Nothing is there to add or subtract. Then write that number itself. So the answer is 8b minus 32. Next question is minus z square plus 13 z square minus 5z plus 7z cube minus 15z. Then here minus z square. We can write this one. Then plus 13z square. Plus 13z square. Then minus 5z. This is unlike term with this one. Here z square, here is z square. So these are like terms. If there is any other z square, we have to write down of this. Then next one is these two we considered. Then minus 5z. Okay. Then plus 7z cube. So that also we can write down of this 5z or z square because here it is z cube. So another type of variable. Then z cube. Then minus 15z. Here this type of terms are there. So here 5z, here 15z. So minus 15z. Then we have to do the calculation. Here minus z square. What is the coefficient of minus z? We know that if there is no constant, we know that will be 1 times z square. So the coefficient of z square is minus 1. Here negative. So this is negative 1. So we can add it. Negative 1 plus positive 3. So negative 1 plus 13. Not 3, 13. Then here one is negative integer and another one is positive integer. We have to subtract these two. So minus 1 plus 13, that is 12. Sign is positive itself. Because the greatest number is 13, the sign of 13 is positive. So positive 12z square. Okay. Next one, negative 5 and negative 15. We have to add these two. Negative 15. So same sign, 5 plus 15, 20. Sign will be negative. So negative 20z. Okay. Then plus 7z cube. Only one term is there. Okay. We can write up to here or we can order this. Here the z cube is greatest power. Do you know what is power? Here z square, z raised to 5. Here 2 and 5 are the power of this z and this z. Here the greatest power is 5. Clear? Maybe a raised to 10, a raised to 9. Here a raised to 10 is the greatest power. So here if there is no power, we have to consider that is 1. Okay. So we can write according to that 7z cube plus 12z square minus 20z. Got it? Nothing is there. We have to add the coefficients of each term. That is like terms. Then write the variable and do that. Next question is P minus Q minus Q minus Q minus P. Here you can see the bracket. Then first we have to avoid the bracket by multiplying which symbol is there outside of this bracket. We have to multiply throughout these terms inside the bracket. Okay. Then here negative. With this negative we have to multiply positive P and this negative Q also we have to multiply. So at the time we can avoid the brackets. After then we have to add. Here P. Here positive. Then negative into positive. Negative. Then negative P. This negative will be positive. Okay. Opposite sign will be there by multiplying negative. Then negative Q. Here it is alone. There is no bracket. Negative. Then here outside negative is there. So here positive Q. That will be negative Q. Here negative P. That will be positive P. Okay. So after then we can do this. P. Negative P. Then plus Q. Then negative Q. Again negative Q. Here positive P. How can we do this? Think about the coefficients of each like terms. Here P, P, P. Here positive P. So positive 1. Okay. Is the coefficient of P. Here negative P. So the coefficient will be -1. Here positive p. So that will be +1. So the answer is 1 minus 1, 0. 0 plus 1, 1 itself. Actually the way is we have to add the positive numbers, then keep it in one side, then add the negative inverse. We have to do the calculation like that way. Then here the positive numbers are 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Here from this 2 we have to subtract, that is 2 minus 1. Then 1 is the answer. So 1p. Okay. Then next one +1, then -1, again -1. That is 1 minus 1, 0, 0 minus 1, -1 itself. Okay. So -1q. We can avoid this 1. So p minus q is the answer. Got it? P minus q. Here 1 is there, 1 is there. We can write without the 1. Sign we have to be take care. Next question is 3a minus 2b minus ab, then minus of a minus b plus ab plus 3ab plus b minus a. So first we can write this one 3a minus 2b minus ab. Then bracket and negative is there. So inside bracket positive a, that will be negative a. Here minus b, that will be plus b. Here plus ab, that will be minus ab. Then plus 3ab plus b minus a. Okay, we have to add it. 3a minus 2b minus ab. Then minus a plus b minus ab. Then plus 3ab plus b minus a. We can add it. First we have to think about the coefficients of each like terms. Here 3, 3 minus 1, here minus 1, here also minus 1, minus 1. That will be equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So 1 will be there. Then 1a positive. Then next minus 2 plus 1 plus 1. Here minus 2 plus 1, that is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1, that is 0. That will be plus 0b. Then minus 1 minus 1 again minus 1ab. Here minus 1ab. Then plus 3ab. Here minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 3, that is positive 1. So positive 1ab. So we can write this one. 1a we can write it as a. A plus ab is the answer. 0ab. There is no term, that is representing 0. That is 0 multiplied by b is equal to 0 multiplied by any number, any variable. The answer will be 0 itself. Okay, I think you got that. Okay children, thank you.